Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the dish garden, or I will say it's a dish jungle I made. So actually, if you are following my videos, I made this dish garden with this snake plant and this aglaonema plant, and at the back there was one Chamaedorea plant, and that Chamaedorea plant died, maybe because the Chamaedorea plant likes the root bound condition and this planter is wider, so that didn't manage, that plant didn't survive in this uh, pot. So then this was kept on this windowsill, and I placed some my tiny succulents on that empty spaces in this dish garden with the potted plants I kept, and it started looking, and it looks beautiful. So I felt that why not to plant all those succulent plants in the soil and see how it turns out. So now it's looking beautiful. See, this is like a combination of tropical plants and the succulent plants and cactus plants. So all hardy plants which we can grow easily, I have taken in this. So these are the Haworthia attenuata plant, this one, and here it is. This smaller one is the Gasteria plant. All these plants are very hardy plants. You can grow them easily. These Haworthias, Gasterias, you can grow easily in Mumbai. That too in an indoor condition. This is a Syngonium plant. This is a Syngonium plant, very hardy plant, and it is going to grow big. So I have planted it at the back because it will give me the height, so it is planted at the backs, and in between these, this snake plant and this is a snake plant, that is a green plant, and this is a Syngonium plant. These both are green ones, so in between, in middle, I have planted this pink Syngonium to give some color variation, and here I have planted again a small Gasteria plant. So in between this aglaonema plant and the main Syngonium plant, this place was empty, this space was empty, so I planted this Haworthia, two Haworthias. This was about to die, this Haworthia, which I just poked in the soil, and I planted this small Syngonium also to fill up this space. And in the middle I have planted these cactus plants. This is a red bunny ear cactus. They look very beautiful, but they will give you lot of irritation after handling them. Be careful while handling these cactus plants. They look beautiful, very stunning with their thorns, colorful thorns. This is a red thorn bunny ear cactus. This plant, I will use a stick to show you. So this one, this was rooted plant, and this one I just plucked in front of you to propagate the new plant. So this way you can use the bunny ear cactus. And I decorated this dish with the aquarium sand, some conchs shells, two big stones I have used to cover the space. The plants which I have used in this all are hardy plants. They grow nicely in Mumbai's atmosphere, in Mumbai's climate. The soil which I have used, I will give the soil mix ratio in the description box, so please check the description box to see the what is the soil mix of this. These all plants are the propagated plants. I have not purchased these plants, so you can do this: buy a big plant, propagate the small plants, and you can use them in different arrangements. Since almost 4 years I am practicing succulents, and from my experience I feel that this combination of tropical plants and succulent and cactus, they are going to survive together very nicely. The tropical plants used in these arrangements can tolerate the dry soil for 3 to 4 days, and this property of these plants is going to be helpful for the succulents which we have used here. And these Haworthias, Gasterias, and these bunny ear cactus, they are also very hardy succulents to grow in Mumbai. So altogether, considering all these facts, this arrangement is going to grow very nicely. That's what I feel. So guys, this is how it has turned out. So I hope you have liked it. So don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to show your support to my plant work and to see more and more plant videos from me. So on this note, Dipali is signing off. Stay tuned to my channel. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.